Have you ever walked into a supermarket and suddenly forgotten every English word you know? You want to buy milk. You need bread. You can't even ask, where can I find it? That small moment can feel really embarrassing.
But here's the good news. After today's lesson, you'll know exactly what to say. From entering the supermarket, to asking for products, to paying at the checkout, you'll be able to do everything in English with confidence.
And don't worry, we'll speak slowly. Use easy English and practice together. By the end of this episode, you'll feel ready to shop in English anywhere in the world.
So, grab your shopping basket and let's go shopping together. Welcome to Miss Teena English Podcast.
Wow, this supermarket is so big. There are so many things here. I hope I can find everything I need.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Mart. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for milk. Could you tell me where I can find it?
Of course. The dairy section is on aisle 4. You'll find milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you're looking for?
Yes. I also need some bread and eggs.
The bread is in aisle 2. The eggs are right next to the dairy section.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping.
A few minutes later, looking at different products. Excuse me, which milk do you recommend? There are so many brands.
If you like fresh milk, I recommend this one. It's very popular.
Great. I'll take 1 bottle. Oh, I also need some apples. Where is the fruit section?
Just walk straight, then turn left. You'll see fresh fruits and vegetables.
Thank you. This supermarket is easy to understand now.
Vocabulary. Supermarket. A large store where you buy food and household items. Shopping basket. A basket you carry while shopping. Aisle. The passage between shelves. Dairy section. The area for milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. Recommend. To suggest something. Brand. The name of a company's product. Fresh. Recently made or picked. Fruit section. The area where fruits are sold. Speaking practice. Slowly. Repeat after me. Welcome to Fresh Mart. Can I help you? I'm looking for milk. Where can I find the bread? Which one do you recommend? I'll take 1 bottle. Thank you for your help. Excellent. You're already learning how to speak naturally in a supermarket. Teena will ask about prices, discounts, vegetables, snacks, and everyday shopping questions that native speakers use.
Wow, everything looks so fresh. I think I'll buy some apples and bananas.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. How much are these apples?
They're $3 per kilogram. They're fresh today.
Great. I'll take 1 kilogram. What about these bananas?
They're $2 per kilogram. They're very sweet.
Perfect. I'll take those 2. In the vegetable section. Excuse me, where can I find tomatoes and potatoes?
They're right over there, next to the onions and carrots. The lettuce is on the top shelf. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I need rice, pasta, and cooking oil.
You'll find those in aisle 7.
Looking for snacks. These chips look delicious. Do you have any chocolate?
Yes, the chocolates are in aisle 9. Today they're 20% off.
Really? That's a great deal. I'll buy 2 bars.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, I think I have everything now. Let's go to the checkout counter. Vocabulary. Kilogram, a unit of weight. Fresh, recently picked or made. Shelf, a flat place where products are kept. Discount, a lower price. 20% off. 20% cheaper. Checkout counter, the place where you pay. Deal, a good price. Groceries, food and household items. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. How much are these apples? I'll take 1 kilogram. Where can I find tomatoes? Do you have any chocolate? Is there a discount today? That's a great deal. Let's go to the checkout counter. Excellent! You're doing a great job. In part 3, you'll learn how to pay at the checkout. Ask for a shopping bag, pay by cash or card, receive your receipt, and end the conversation naturally, just like a native English speaker.
Great! I found everything I needed. Now it's time to pay. Let's go to the checkout counter.
Conversation. Good afternoon. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Wonderful. Please place your items on the counter.
Sure. Here they are.
Scanning the items. Milk, bread, eggs, apples, bananas, chocolate. Your total comes to $28.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card on the payment machine.
Done.
Payment approved. Here's your receipt. Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you are. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Vocabulary. Cashier, the person who takes your payment. Counter, the place where you pay. Total, the final amount to pay. Payment machine, a machine used to pay by card. Receipt, a paper showing your payment. Shopping bag, a bag for carrying your groceries. Approved, accepted successfully.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Did you find everything you were looking for? Please place your items on the counter. Can I pay by card? Would you like a shopping bag? Here's your receipt. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Excellent.
Teena, how do you feel now?
Much better. Before today, I was nervous about shopping in English. Now, I know how to ask for products, talk to supermarket staff, ask about prices, and pay confidently.
That's amazing. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need simple sentences, a smile, and the confidence to speak. Every shopping trip is another chance to practice your English.
Today's speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're at a supermarket. Answer these questions in English. What do you want to buy today? Which fruit is your favorite? Would you pay by cash or by card? What snack do you usually buy? Say your answers out loud. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Congratulations! You finished episode 8. Today, you learned how to ask for products, find different sections, ask about prices, talk to the cashier, pay by cash or card, speak naturally while shopping. Practice today's lesson 3 times this week. You'll become more confident every day.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Miss Teena English Podcast, and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next episode of Season 1. Speak English naturally.
Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, English becomes easy when you use it every day. Bye, everyone.